Hello students, today let us discuss about electric motor. So what is an electric motor? Electric motor is a device which converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. So electric motor is a device that converts electric energy into mechanical energy. So, this motor operates on three different physical principles. So, electric motor can be run by using three different principles. Operates on three different principles. So, what are the principles? So, they are, the first one is magnetism. The second one is electrostatic or electrostatics. Then the third one is the piezoelectric. So it can work on these three principles. So the most commonly used principle by the electric motor is magnetism. Magnetism is the most commonly used principle. So here main types of DC motors and AC motors are brushed or brushless. They can be single phase, two phase, three phase. Okay, so there are types of motors. So main types of DC and AC motors. So here it can be, the motors can be direct current or alternating current motor. Okay, or it can be brushed or brushless. It can be single phase, double phase, or three phase motor, and also it can be air cooled or liquid cooled or air cooled or liquid cooled. So these many types of motors, electric motors are possible. So what are the examples of DC motor? Examples of DC motor are those working with batteries, motor vehicles or rectifiers. So are those which are working with batteries, motor vehicles or rectifiers. So what is the motor efficiency? So motor's efficiency, so the mechanical efficiency or the mechanical output power to the electrical input power. So the ratio of mechanical output power to the electrical input power will give us the efficiency of a motor. So here PE is the electric input power. So PE is electric input power and PM is the mechanical output power. Now, what is the mechanical input power? So, mechanical input power, that is PEM, can be written as T into omega, and PE, that is electrical input power, is given by I into V, where V is input voltage. So this V is input voltage. Then I is input current. Then T is output torque, and omega is the output angular velocity. So this is the electric motor. So what are the applications of this electric motor? So here you can see there is a motor in a ceiling fan. So this portion is the motor of the ceiling fan. So likewise, this motor is used in various applications. So applications of electric motor. So it is used in refrigerators. So what is the function of a electric motor? It will convert the electrical energy into mechanical energy. So it is used in vacuum cleaners. Then it is used in kitchen stove vents. Okay, it is used in bathroom vents. It is used in air conditioners. Then it is used in ceiling fans. So it is used in kitchen sink waste disposal. So even here it is used in the washing machine. So here you can see there is a motor which is mentioned here. So what is the work of this motor? It will receive electricity from the electric board. So here you can see it is connected to the board. Okay, after receiving the electricity, what does it do? It will convert the electrical energy into mechanical energy, and it will rotate this drum or agitator. So this agitator will be rotated with the help of this motor. Rotation of this agitator is only the working of this washing machine. So without motor, it is not possible to carry out the function. So even here, motors in exhaust fan. So in the exhaust fan also a motor is fitted. Okay, it will receive the electric current and it will start rotating this fan. That is the mechanical work of this fan. So in this way, this electric motor will convert the electricity into mechanical work. So I hope you have understood the topic. Thank you.